Imagine a world where sight is restored, where the darkness of blindness is replaced by a new era of vision. This is the incredible story of an electronic implant, a revolutionary device that has brought hope and a second chance at sight to those who thought it was lost forever. The Prima device, a marvel of modern medicine, is a microchip so thin it's half the thickness of a human hair. This tiny implant has the power to transform lives, and it has done just that for 38 elderly patients who participated in a groundbreaking trial. Doctors at Moorfields Eye Hospital in London, along with 16 other sites, implanted these prosthetic devices, and the results are nothing short of remarkable. Many patients regained their ability to read, a skill that had been taken away by incurable sight loss. Blind patients are now able to experience a meaningful restoration of central vision, a feat never achieved before, said Mahi Mukit, a senior consultant at Moorfields. The ability to read again improves their quality of life, boosts their mood, and restores a sense of independence and confidence. But here's where it gets controversial. This technology is not a simple fix. It requires dedication and training. Patients must undergo intensive rehabilitation to learn how to use this new vision. It's a process, a journey, but one that leads to a brighter future. And this is the part most people miss. The implant is just one piece of the puzzle. Patients also wear augmented reality glasses connected to a small computer on their waistband. These glasses allow them to focus and scan objects, and with a zoom feature, they can make text larger and more readable. It's a complex system utilizing artificial intelligence to convert visual information into electrical signals that the brain can understand. Sheila Wilson, a participant in the trial, shared her experience. It was like having two black discs in my eyes before the implant. I was determined to get my reading ability back. The operation was painless, but I was aware of what was happening. Now, it's made a huge difference. It's an exciting new way of seeing. And I was thrilled when I saw that first letter. The implant is inserted under the retina in a procedure called a vitrectomy. It's a delicate process, but the results speak for themselves. 84% of participants in the trial regained their ability to read letters, numbers, and words. This technology offers a glimmer of hope for those suffering from age-related macular degeneration, AMD, a leading cause of sight loss in older adults. With no current treatment for the dry form of AMD, this implant could be a game-changer. As we delve deeper into the world of medical advancements, it's important to ask, what do you think about this innovative approach to restoring sight? Is it a step towards a brighter future for those with visual impairments, or does it raise ethical questions we should consider? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's spark a conversation about the potential and challenges of this remarkable technology.